This is worksheet 17 solutions. So 1A was just asking you to identify your variable, right? And that was jobs that were adding the most people, and then B was asking you if it was discrete or continuous, and that's discrete, right? So then 2, the distance from the center to the arrow is continuous because x can be any number greater than or equal to 0. When you measure that, it can literally take on any value. Yeah, 1.167. Yeah, it depends on the measuring device how accurate it's going to be. All right. Number 3, you're just trying to see, is that a probability distribution? So you literally just add up the probabilities. You did the whole thing? Yeah, you didn't have to on this one. You just literally add them and make sure it adds to 1. You found the mean and standard deviation and stuff? Like in order to find though the mean and the variance. So on this one, you're given those percentages, right? So it'd either be 20 out of 100 because that's 20%, or you can just do 2/10. So when you add 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, and 1/10, that adds to 1. So yes, it's a probability distribution. I'm really trying to get you in that routine of always checking, because if it doesn't add to 1, don't find the mean. There's no point. Yeah, quiz or test. So on this one, did you get for the mean x bar is equal to 14/6? Or that can reduce to 7/3. For the variance, 0.55, and for the standard deviation, 0.7453. You rounded a little different. It's fine. I didn't give you a rounding value on that one, on this worksheet. 6, that's supposed to be a mu. The way I make those is just a u, and then I put a tail on that side. Anyway, so mu, the mean is 11.3, the variance, sigma squared, is 1.81, and the standard deviation is 1.35. Everyone's agreeing? Okay. 7, you get that the mean is 2.85, the variance is 1.72, and the standard deviation 1.3. No questions? 8. This is the answer. We actually worked this out. Do you want to see the whole chart for number 8? Lots of people got different answers in the other class. That's why I just worked this one out. And you don't have to do both. I was just showing you can do every decimal as a fraction. You know what I mean? And it makes it kind of easier when you're multiplying, I think. But either one is correct, either way. The mean is 2.28. Oh, wait. That's this one. Wait. No, wait. That's the mean. Variance, standard deviation. That's what I have written on the last slide. See? Variance, standard deviation. I didn't ask for the mean, did I? Or maybe they just agreed on the mean, but not the variance and standard deviation. Did it? Yeah, the mean that was given versus the one that was, they're the exact same. Right. If the national average is 2.28 and we got the expected value, which is the mean, 2.28. The research is correct. Look at that. You verified the national average. Isn't that cool? With a relatively small sample, right? Any other questions on worksheet 17? No?